Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about the Baker Act and a very unusual request I got from a mother whose daughter was in a facility. She'd been there for months and months and months. The mother was complaining that she thought the facility was potentially abusing her daughter, although candidly, it was very hard to find out what that was because there was no direct evidence. Just the mother didn't like the fact the daughter was in treatment there, and she wanted me to file an ex parte petition under the Baker Act, get a court order and send the police in there to drag her out. And I said, no. First of all, that's not what the Baker Act is for, okay? The Baker Act, when it's used correctly, is for when there's emergencies caused by some type of mental illness. She said, well, it is an emergency. And I said, how do you know that? Give me some evidence, okay? Because if I run to court and file this petition for you, which I'll tell you right now, there was no chance I was going to do that. If I do that for you, I need some evidence that goes with it. And if I don't have the evidence, well, the court's just going to dismiss my petition. I said, but more importantly, if you want control of your adult child, the appropriate way to do that is to file for a guardianship over her. And again, I have to have evidence. I have to have specific reasons why I'm asking the court to allow you to become her guardian, while you should be able to make decisions for her, like medical decisions, financial decisions, restrict her ability to travel, determine where she lives, who she spends time with, all of those things that come with guardianship. But I need evidence. But here's the other thing. The work that we do is a shield, okay, not a sword. We're using it to protect somebody, so that you can somehow sort of enforce what you think is your right to make decisions for somebody just because you think you should be able to do so. Okay, or because you think the facility is doing something wrong. And maybe they are, I don't know, but neither do you. And I need evidence, okay, because otherwise, as a lawyer, I can't file the documents or the pleadings in good faith. And I am governed by good faith. I'm an officer of the court. I don't file bogus pleadings just because you want me to. It doesn't work that way, okay? But this was a very strange request, and I said, look, there's no way in hell a court's going to grant this and allow a police officer to go take somebody out of treatment. And the other thing is, I'm just not going to do it anyway because it's just not the right course of action. And frankly, I think it's wholly inappropriate, and it's definitely not the right way to use the Baker Act. So just an unusual request. I thought I would share it with you. And well, just things get stranger by the day. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.